I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're out exploring the world or running errands, you never know when you're going to need a sweater, which is very true in my case, and that's why I really appreciate this H2H zip-up hoodie for women. This hoodie is so easy to carry around with you. You can easily roll it up, put it in a backpack, put it in your purse, tie it around your waist. I like something that I can carry with me because I get cold very easily, especially when you're in the outdoors, when you're hiking, and sometimes when you start in the morning, it's cold, but then it gets warmer in the afternoon. So it's nice to be able to have something on, take it off when it gets warmer. And so I really liked how easy it was to roll up, put in my backpack, and as an added bonus, it looked just like my husband's sweater, and we are really big into matching. It's difficult to bring a lot of big, puffy, warm jackets, so the best thing to do when you're camping or hiking is to dress in layers. This is a perfect middle layer. I liked how it was snug, but definitely had the mobility I needed. I think this sweater is so nice. It's beautiful. It's so useful as a middle layer or just something you can throw in your bag and put on as soon as you get a little bit of the chills. I love it, my husband loves his, and I think you're going to too. And that's my point of view.